our dreams have come to life with this. Hey guys, I'm Harriet.
And my name's Sarah.
And we are so excited to introduce to you the flip phone of your dreams.
Say hello to the all-new HMD Barbie Phone.
So today in this video, we're gonna unbox this phone with you. It's the first time either of us have seen this phone.
I can't wait.
Okay, so I'm gonna open the box.
See lots of pink.
Oh yeah, of course, has to be pink. So let's open it up.
Ooh. Oh, it's like a little jewelry box.
Open here, oh my gosh. Should we do the phone first? It's the main character moment.
This feels so nostalgic. I don't know about you, but my first phone was a flip phone, so it's a big moment.
Me too. And actually, all my friends and I always joke, we're like, we just want flip phones back. I think nowadays we have all these apps and it's...
Social media.
Yeah, and I think having something simpler, it's so refreshing.
Back to the basics. Also, I can see in the box, it comes with 2 extra back covers. Yeah, depending on what mood you're in. So if you're feeling iconic, you can go for the Barbie one, or if you're feeling a little bit more groovy, go for the swirly one. Choice is completely up to you.
So we've also got these beautiful like attachable beaded charm.
A pink battery, a pink USB Type-C cable.
I love how everything's pink.
Pink cleaning cloth.
Once we unbox everything in here, we can then reuse the box as a jewelry box, which is amazing. So you can put necklaces, rings, etc.
I need a home for my rings. So
I know, exactly. We've also got, I think, these customizable Barbie stickers. So I think if you can see these, and then you've also got these gem stickers.
So we've got everything here ready to customize it to however you want it.
I can't wait.
But I think we should take a little look at how the phone actually works first.
So I've got this really cool beaded lanyard here and I'm gonna pop that on now for you guys just so you can have a look. I'm obsessed, look at this. What I really love about the Barbie phone is that it allows you to stay connected by, being able to call and text your friends and take photos, but it doesn't feel like intrusive in the sense that it allows you to take a break away from your smartphone and just live your dream life. And there are a few more hidden gems about this phone that...
Wait, guys, why do I need a mirror when I've got it right here on my Barbie phone? And I love that everything, absolutely everything on this phone is Barbie themed, even when you switch it on.
Hi, Barbie.
How cool is that? And it's not just the ringtone, even all the menu icons are Barbie themed. So cute. I also think it's so cool that you can assign each of your contacts a different Barbie or Ken silhouette.
Sarah, where's the phone?
You mean this one? It's right here.
I was about to tell them about all the really cool Easter eggs that they've included on the phone. You wouldn't know about, but we're about to tell you.
Firstly, everything's customizable, as you know, but if you want to change the wallpaper, we've got 5 more for you to choose from just by putting in this code. And there are a few more, but we'll let you discover them.
Also exclusively for the Barbie phone is Malibu Snake. I don't know about you guys, but Snake was all we played when we were younger.
Yeah. Ah, so close. Right, game's over. I'm going outside.
Wait, I wasn't finished. Oh, it's so nice to be outside. I spend so much time on my phone that I feel like I'm inside a lot more than I need to be. I was reading recently at how much time people spend on their phone and how much time people spend on social media.
I am guilty.
Yeah, and I'm exactly the same, but if I could take a step away from that, be a bit more present with my friends, family, loved ones, it would be so refreshing for me.
If I had 24 hours away from my smartphone, I'd probably spend more time in nature, go for more walks, read some more books, just really take some time for me. And I really love that with the Barbie phone, it really allows you to take that time for yourself. With the meditation app, for example, you can just set a timer, meditate, think about your day, and then when the time is up, a gong will sound.
The HMD Barbie phone is the best phone for taking a vacation away from your smartphone. It has so many great tips and tricks on how to reduce your daily screen time. It's got the meditation app. It's a great way to get back in touch with nature and spend more time with your friends and family.
And I love that you can customize it to make it completely personal to you.
Don't know about you, but I'm ready to go and live my dream life away from my smartphone.
Absolutely. Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching.